see the wound. All the wound is on this side. It's all on this side.
Kilay yan siya.
Nakikilay po siya.
Ayan, kukunin ko lang ah.
Wow.
Picture yung kamay mo.
Ronnie, dito kayo sa likod. Okay, siya. Pambala kayo.
One piece there.
No. Nilinis ko na.
Pwede nang isa.
We will remove the tape first. Kasi usually pinapabayaan ko pang mag-heal muna yung wound. So, the actual surgical incision is up here. I'll just wipe it like this. Let the betadine seep into the tape. Cover that blister with betadine. It usually pops on its own. Tapos po, you just apply betadine also to the pains. Makikita niyo yung seal pains natin dito. Just cover that with betadine. Kasi sa ngayon, tama pa naman yung tip. If it comes to a point na maluwag na masyado, or masisira siya, that's the time we need to change it. But otherwise, we can keep it. Okay. More na. Oh, last na. Gusto nito medicine na. Okay. Wash your hands very well, and then you put that Back in ha. Para no more touching ha. No more touching. Okay. Shoot lang natin. Tapos, sorry. So, ayun po, para pwede niya na siyang i-wash. So, use na yung bandages nila. Okay, okay. Mama na, okay na. Mama na lang, mama na. Ha? Okay. Yan, na-irritate lang siya dun sa bandage. So actually now, ang bala ko, hindi ko muna ipapasok dyan yung bandage para medyo makahinga yung kanyang finger. So just do this. Magsistay din naman po yan kahit dito na. Just that right after surgery, you want to be as secure as possible. So kailangan talaga well fixed siya. Pero ngayon po, pwede na hindi
Clean na. Clean na siya. Okay na.
Okay. This one for you can keep na rin. Use that for cleaning. So we are 3 days in. Finish na eh. Isa.
Tapos na.
Ayusin. Okay. Ayusin na ako. Hindi ka niya. I mean, maraming ginamit yan. It's just, I just found it there.
Wala na.
Yay! Finish na. No more touching. More there. It's okay. Sige po. So, yung pinaka-critical period ko siguro, like I said, is the first 1 to 2 weeks, no? After any fracture, let's say casting or operation in his case, first 2 weeks usually the critical time. So that's when we usually see each other more often. No? So that means I probably need to see him again next Saturday. We'll do the same thing. We need to get x-rays again. You'll be surprised, it's really like that. We have to verify that the position is right. No? Talagang taking no chances na tayo ngayon. No? And then I'll just have a look again at his wounds, make sure that he's tama po. But as long as he's able to take his antibiotics and we're able to clean his wound every day, unlikely namang magkaroon ng wound problems talaga. The only time na nagkaka-wound problems is if they force, move nilang ganun, tapos may pins na nakalabas, hindi talaga makikita yung wound. But in his case, he cannot even move his elbow because of the severity. So it should be well protected naman. Eventually, yung pain, mapapansin nyo, medyo fresh pa yung wound edges. You will notice over the next few days, magda-dry up na yan. Until eventually, parang yung mga wounds around the pin, magsasara na yun. Tapos yung pin na lang talaga yung nakalabas from the skin. And that wound here, on the side, like I said po, ano yun, dissolving sutures naman yun. So, hindi na kailangan.
If Doc